What up, what up, what up? What y'all doing today? Man, the weather ain't showing me no love today, y'all. It's my guy right here. Man, give him a nickname, man, because you can't give him all the sauce already.
All you need to know is Velle.
Ooh.
It's a 350, still stock bore. Whole top end swap, vortex cylinder heads, comp cam, beehive valve springs, then the new valve gas seals, the works, everything. 1.5 Scorpion roller rockers, stuff liner.
Okay.
And then it's got a comp cam 274 hydraulic roller. It was a hydraulic flat tappet, but we upgraded the block and put roller lifters in. That'll give, that combo alone should be about an extra 100 horsepower over a stock 350. So this should be 400 horsepower, streetable, very streetable all day long. And it's for my son. He don't even know it yet. Graduation.
This is a graduation gift, y'all.
CJ, this for you, son. You know what I'm saying? Gotcha.
He is my favorite car builder out of Nashville, and every time he do a car, it's showroom worthy. It's on. Y'all stay tuned.